So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful dirty chai latte. Now a traditional chai latte is spices and steamed milk, but we're going to mix this up even more. We're going to make this over ice and add a double espresso inside. Hi, I'm James and this is Coffee Perfection. So the first thing is I'm going to show you exactly what we need to make this. Fresh coffee beans, fresh milk, I'm using full fat cow's milk, ice, spice chai, and we're using spice chai because we want them real nice warming flavors, a small milk pitcher so we can brew our shot of espresso into, and we're going to bring that all together to show you how to make this drink. So now that I've got my double espresso inside my jug, I'm adding 20 grams of spice chai powder directly in. Now this chai powder is really good. You've got some black tea in there, some cinnamon, some cardamom, some really nice warming spices, and it actually goes really delicious with coffee. So like I said, the next step is we want to whisk our chai powder with our double espresso. Now the good thing about chai powder is it doesn't really take too much to dilute, especially because using the double espresso, you've got the heat there and that's diluting. If you don't have a whisk at home, you could use a fork or anything like that. Okay, so we've got our tall glass. We're going to add our ice. We're going to half fill our cup with ice. Half fill. That's better. And then we want to pour our fresh cold milk directly over the top, nice and slowly. And we want to leave room just about there for our mixture. So now we've got our beautiful espresso chai mixed, and the smell of this is gorgeous. The aroma's coming off this is really, really nice. And it just reminds me of winter. It's really, really nice, but you get over ice, it just really comes together. It's lovely. But we're gonna just keep that moving and pour nice and slowly over the top of our milk and our ice. And fill it all the way up. Like so. And now we just want to mix that together. And that's how we make our dirty iced chai latte. Cheers.